Hello, good evening. What is up? Welcome back to my trading journey. This is Santosh Kumar Gattagoni. Let's get started with my account value first. As you can see, the value is 33 lakhs 44,000 plus there is like 4,000 in the account, which means 33 lakhs 48,000. All right, that's that that's with the account value, and let's check what's up with the market. Let's check where the Nifty small cap is. Okay, you know, Nifty is just hovering around the moving averages, not going up or down, and the moving averages are, completely flat. Yeah, that's all with Nifty small cap. And let's check my positions. We'll go through one by one, alphabetical order. Today, biggest loser is V2 retail, uh, around minus 2.45%, and the highest gainer is CCPDI, CMPDI, with 2.74 percentage up for the day. All right, let's go alphabetical order wise. My exit strategy is this, exit half in 3 to 5 days, half the quantity. If whatever may be the case, if the stock violates 10 or 20-day moving average decisively, then close the entire position. So let's see if any of my stocks is violating the 10-day moving average or the 20-day moving average today. Let's go with Adani Green, doing pretty good, very good. The volume coming in today, if you see, an orderly pullback, low volume pullback, and then today high volume buying in. It's a solid chart. Yeah, very positive on Adani Green. See this, it went up and then tightened here, wanted to go up, but the market was not great since a few days, so kind of it could not go up. Now today it's trying to go up. That's a very good positive news for Adani Green, as it's in my portfolio. Please do not copy the trades. You might lose all, you might lose a lot of money. Yeah. So Adani Power. Adani Power is trading below the 10-day moving average, but above the 20-day moving average. It's tightening. It's tightening a lot here. Okay. Um, and volumes have come down since since 4 days. The volume has dried up. As you can see, you know uh, it's clearly visible that the green bars are high and red is less, which clearly says that there is buying going on in this stock. uh, but anything can happen at any point of time. Somebody can come and just dump these shares. So yeah, we gotta be very vigilant. That's so I'm not gonna take out this stock, because even though it's trading below the 10-day, yesterday it closed below the 10-day. It's not kind of a dangerous close like this one. So I'll continue to hold this. Sempro. Sempro, after going up a lot, it hit the upper circuit yesterday. Still trading above the 10-day moving average, very healthy. CMPDI. By the way, I'm up like 80,000 rupees on Sempro. I think this is the highest gainer for me so far. Yeah. CMPDI. Uh, Definitely taking support near the 20-day moving average, and today the volume coming in, you know a little bit of volume coming in, and the price is going up. That's a good news. for CMPDI. I thought it was gonna, I thought it was gonna break 20-day moving average and I might have to close this position. That's what I thought, but uh, taking support CMPDI, EMMVEE above the 10-day, holding it, 10-day hold. This one, don't know, man. Okay, if it violates the 20-day moving average decisively, I'm gonna close this position. You see, most of the stocks are, right around the 10 and 20-day moving average in my portfolio. Park Hospitals, this one had a good run from here to here, and then it's tightening up above the 10-day moving average. That's RR Cable. This is a I like this stock a lot, but I should have bought it. I mean, okay, it went up, tightened here, and is now moving out of the tighten. I mean, has already moved out of the tightening range and is on the expansion now, holding pretty solid on the down days. SIS, trying to go up, but it is not going up, mm, you know, solidly. Thermex, just one day up and then it calmed down, but still above the 10-day moving average. V2 retail, so this one is also above the 10-day moving average. Today I am down like 10,000 rupees. I'm liking this process. You know, these are the concepts like this one, both of these exit rules are directly copied from the legendary trader Kristen Kwalamagi, and this one is also, you know, he simply tells if the market is good, then look for buying. If the market is bad, don't buy, sit out. How do you know if the market is doing good? You know, definitely, most of the times when the market is good, it is trading usually above the moving averages. When the market is bad, it is trading below the moving averages. It's as simple as that. It's so simple, yet you know it's so complicated. This, I mean, it's so simple but very tough to follow in the real time for me, because I feel like trading all the time. For example, if we see the chart, you know this was a bad period. Like, if if I just sat out completely, it would have been wonderful. And I really did sit out for most. I mean, I traded with very small quantity. uh, yeah. So another bad time is, the price is below the moving averages. Sit out, sit out, sit out. A massive sit out. If we manage to sit out during these periods, I think our, this account will do fairly well in the future, because it's a no brainer that, if I can avoid to be out of the bad times and participate in the markets only when it is good, or at least not bad, then over the long period of time the edge will definitely play out. Yep, that's the thing about this. So that's what I'm trying to document here. By following some simple rules, can we really compound our money like explosively? Let's see. The journey is The journey is on. We are going to show up every single day almost and try to grind it out one day at a time, closing out the positions which are violating 20-day or 10-day moving average, buying the stocks which are reasonably good, and trying to avoid the bad markets, not risking a lot on one stock, when in a drawdown, trying to reduce our risk. All these principles, we'll try to apply this on this account and see how far it goes. And I'm very confident that logically all of these concepts are very sound fundamentally. So I'm optimistic that the results are going to be good, but the execution is different. The learning, the watching on YouTube is different, and really executing that stuff on the real money is different. That's what I think the real trading journey is. Not some magic indicator, not some random 2 to 3 months gains. The ups and downs, the execution errors, the chasing of this stock, selling in fear. All right, that's all for this video. Please like the video. That really tells me that somebody is out there, watching the videos. Um and please share with your friends who are on the same journey, trading journey, like me, or want to get started in trading and want to see how trading really works in the real time, not for buying or selling recommendations, but for the process. And uh, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Happy grinding. Good luck. Take care.